How you doing, guys? Dodgy Bear?
In the bush, that's why I wake.
Right, we are going to get firewood because firewood is essential for fires, which create heats.
And it's coming out of trees.
Yeah, we're going to go out in the bush, get firewood today. So we will go. Believe it or not, actually hunting firewood is quite hard because you're only allowed to take ones that are on the ground. You're not allowed to fell trees here in this part of WA. So you've got to take ones that are already on the ground. So you try and find them. And something that doesn't move, they're very difficult to spot. So we're going to go and have a crack. Targy Bear, you going to help us find some firewood, mate?
Not really. I'm just going to watch how.
You're just going to watch? Alright, Targy Bear's just going to watch. But anyway.
Because watching is helping them.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're going to Luke's place. We're going to go to Luke's farm, grab Luke, grab his big trailer, get out into the bush out there, get the chainsaws going, cut up some firewood. We had planned on going firewooding, but I don't know if you can see that. It's pissing down. Taj is hiding in the car. Luke's got this cool thing. What's this?
Chainsaw.
A chainsaw chain sharpener. So we're going to sharpen the chain because this one's my chainsaw, my bad boy, and then Luke's is down there. And there's a Taj stuck in the car because it's raining. Hopefully the rain goes away. Uh-oh, there's rain going in my car apparently. That's alright.
Oh no.
And then we'll get out there eventually and get some firewood hopefully, but let's watch what happens here.
Well, oh, turn the power on.
You need to plug it in, yeah? Yep. Up there. That seemed easy.
It is.
That got boring quick.
It's not exciting.
Alright, now this goes back on there and it's good to go. Let's do that now. Guys, be careful, mate. Alright.
I made it.
This one here looks good.
I got them all free.
Yeah, what about this one, mate? Should we use that firewood?
Yep.
Yep, alright. Let's cut some stuff. Let's do it. We're gonna run a new chain, I've decided. The old one went to do a bit of cutting just then and
Touch the rock.
touched the rock, so
Rather than destroy it completely, we'll just put a new one on and sharpen it when we get home.
put a new one on, and then we're going to go actually cut this one into pieces into firewood, and then this will become loaded, as will this, and then we'll have heat. Lots of heat, indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need one to break. What do you reckon, mate? Is that pretty good?
Yeah.
Should we get some more?
Yeah.
Yep, let's go get some more. Good loading, Luke. We've got a bit. We're going to fill this sucker up, fill that sucker up. This is the hard work. This is the sweaty bit that no one wants to talk about. Good job, mate.
So you know it's quality wood according to Adam.
Man hands.
I
You
almost
can get a grip on it.
Oh, yes.
You can get a grip on it.
Look at it. That's super light. That'll burn. Hot. Yeah, mate.
I almost fell off this.
Yeah, be careful, because what happens if you step on slippery wood? Exactly. Ah, dong on your head. That says firewood collection area, as you can see. And we've got a little bit. We did get a bit out of that. We've got some in here. Got some in here. Back at the homestead. All done. It's raining. I've got to drive to get home. Look, Luke's home and he's got his fire up there. No, that's not a fire, that's smoke. The fire's in the house, but nevertheless. Anyway. And yep, happy days. Mighty chainsaws. Let's go home. And might get some action shots of a fire or some splitting or something. I don't know. That's how you get firewood anyway. You want it to look like that. Perfect. It's wet now, won't burn. Oh, see you later.
There's